Good afternoon. Today, we are diving deep into an exciting comparison between two powerful flagship smartphones, the Realme GT7 Pro Racing Edition and the Realme GT7 Pro. Both these devices represent the pinnacle of Realme's technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of performance, design, and user experience. But the big question is, which one is the better choice for you? Let's find out. Design and build quality. When it comes to aesthetics, both phones showcase a premium and futuristic look. However, there are some key differences. Realme GT7 Pro features a sleek, sophisticated design with a glass back and an aluminum frame, making it feel more premium and luxurious in hand. The GT7 Pro Racing Edition, on the other hand, is designed with a sporty, aggressive look that appeals to gamers and performance enthusiasts. It might have a carbon fiber or matte finish, making it stand out with a rugged yet stylish appearance. Both phones are expected to be lightweight yet durable, featuring Gorilla Glass protection on the front and back. Display, smoothness versus clarity. Both devices sport a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 2K resolution, ensuring crystal-clear visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. The GT7 Pro might come with a higher peak brightness, up to 5,000 nits, for better outdoor visibility, making it ideal for multimedia consumption. The GT7 Pro Racing Edition could prioritize a higher refresh rate, possibly 165 Hz, ensuring ultra-smooth animations and an enhanced gaming experience. If you are a content creator or binge watcher, the GT7 Pro might be the better pick, whereas gamers and fast-scrolling users might prefer the Racing Edition for its smoother performance. Performance and hardware. Both phones are powerhouses, featuring the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Gen 4 chipset, depending on the launch date. However, the Racing Edition takes things up a notch. The GT7 Pro delivers top-tier performance with UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring ultra-fast read/write speeds and seamless multitasking. The GT7 Pro Racing Edition might come with higher RAM options, possibly up to 24 GB, and advanced cooling mechanisms, such as a bigger vapor chamber or graphene cooling system, making it an absolute beast for gaming and heavy tasks. If you're into casual usage and flagship performance, the GT7 Pro is an excellent choice. But if you're a power user, gamer, or multitasking enthusiast, the Racing Edition will push the limits even further. Camera system, photography versus performance focus. The GT7 Pro is expected to feature a flagship-grade camera setup, possibly 50MP Sony IMX989 primary sensor with OIS for stunning photography, ultra-wide and periscope zoom lenses for versatility in photography, advanced AI computational photography for night shots, HDR, and video recording. Meanwhile, the Racing Edition may compromise slightly on camera quality to enhance performance. It might feature the same 50MP main camera but with fewer computational photography features compared to the GT7 Pro. The focus will likely be on faster shutter speeds and AI enhancements for quick shots, catering more to action photography and gaming live streams rather than professional-level photography. So, if you prioritize camera quality for photography and videography, go for the GT7 Pro. If your main focus is speed and gaming, the Racing Edition is a better match. Battery and charging. Speed versus efficiency. Both models are expected to house a 5,000 mAh battery with super-fast charging capabilities. However, there might be differences. The GT7 Pro could focus on battery efficiency with longer screen-on time and better optimization for daily users. The Racing Edition may feature faster charging speeds, up to 150W or more, ensuring you get back in action within minutes. If you need longer battery life for daily use, the GT7 Pro is ideal. But if you want the fastest charging possible, the Racing Edition is the way to go. Software and user experience. Both phones will run on Realme UI 5.0 or later, based on Android 14 or 15. The GT7 Pro might offer a more refined user experience, focusing on stability, smooth animations, and feature-rich software enhancements. The Racing Edition could come with gaming-focused software tweaks, including customizable refresh rates, gaming modes, haptic feedback improvements, and advanced cooling settings. The GT7 Pro is the best pick for a clean, polished experience. If you love gaming and customization, the Racing Edition has an edge. Price and value for money. Pricing will be a major factor in deciding between the two. The GT7 Pro will likely be positioned as a flagship killer, offering a balance of features at a competitive price. The GT7 Pro Racing Edition might come at a higher price due to its gaming enhancements, but for those who need the ultimate performance, it could be worth it. Final verdict: which one should you buy? If you want a well-rounded flagship with a premium design, top-tier cameras, a high-quality display, and long battery life, go for the Realme GT7 Pro. If you are a power user, gamer, or someone who needs extreme performance with the fastest refresh rates, extra RAM, and gaming-focused optimizations, then the Realme GT7 Pro Racing Edition is the better choice. Ultimately, it depends on your personal needs and how you use your phone. Closing statement. Both these devices push Realme's limits in innovation and performance, giving users the best technology at an affordable price. Whether you choose the GT7 Pro for its balanced premium experience or the Racing Edition for its extreme power, you're guaranteed to get one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.